Student, next is the adjustment of pitch and frequency in musical instruments. So first of all, we have some wind instruments, and look at that: flute, clarinet, opio, bassoon, like that, brass, horn. There are a number of the wind instruments we have. So by adjusting the pitch and frequency, we can produce a pleasant and different type of sounds from these woodwinds. So how they are working with it, we will discuss about that. So look at that, whether the flute, clarinet, shehnai, whistle, etc. all these musical instruments in which air inside a pipe is set into vibration by blowing air using our mouth and lips. So look at that, this in this diagram. This is the flute and it has some holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are the 7 holes. So frequency depends on the length of vibrating air column. So keep in your mind, once again, frequency depends on the length of the vibrating air column. So air column की length क्या होती है, vibrating air column की length क्या है, तो उस पर डिपेंड करती है फ्रीक्वेंसी. सो स्मॉलर द लेंथ ऑफ द एयर कॉलम, हायर इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड हायर इज द पिच. दस shrillness of sound increases on reducing the length of vibrating air column. अगर एयर कॉलम की लेंथ को हम डिक्रीज कर दें, रिड्यूस कर दें, तो shrillness, sharpness साउंड की इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. In a flute there are a number of holes in the pipe along its length. When all the holes are closed, अगर सारे के सारे होल्स बंद कर दी जाएं with the help of our hands, fingers, then the length of air column is maximum. यहाँ से हवा नहीं निकलेगी, सारे के सारे क्लोज कर दिए तो एयर कॉलम की जो लेंथ है वो इंक्रीज होगी. Then what will be happen? Then the frequency of sound is minimum, or sound produced is a flat sound. So, or however, if a hole is opened by removing the finger, effective length of air column decreases and consequently frequency of sound increases and sound becomes shriller. The flute player can therefore adjust the pitch by opening, closing different holes of the flute. So you have seen that कि player of the flute, जो flute play करते हैं तो वो बार बार इन holes को कभी ऊपर से कभी नीचे से बंद करते हैं, ओपन करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ द फिंगर. दे आर जस्ट एडजस्टिंग द शिलनेस, आई मीन टू से कि फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द साउंड, सो जिसके कारण बहुत अच्छी साउंड प्रोड्यूस होती है. वॉच एंड लिसन दिस वीडियो केयरफुली.
Listen to the sound.
So when the pitch is higher, when the holes are closed or when the holes are opened. So when you keep all the holes closed, the length of the air column is maximum and the flute will play at a lower pitch. And opening of the holes shortens the length of the air column, resulting in the pitch getting higher. So the pitch of a sound depends on the length of the vibrating body. The opening and closing of specific holes on the flute changes the length of the vibrating air column inside the flute and hence changes its pitch.